To access the taillight assembly, you will need to fold down the rear wheel well panel. Use the release handles, red arrow, and fold the panels inward. On the left side, you will need to remove the spare tire by unscrewing the center puck and pulling the tire out from the wheel well. On both sides, there is a plastic housing that holds the bulbs. Squeeze the clip together, red arrow, and pull the bar out and down. The light bar containing the bulbs, red arrow, sits in a groove on the bottom of the housing, yellow arrow, and once released is easy to remove. Use care with the clips as they will dry out over time. The bulbs are simple push and turn to remove or install. The sockets can get corrosion in them over time, which can lead to a bulb not working. Make sure you clean all the sockets with a small wire brush or some emery paper before installing new bulbs. The taillight housing is a complete unit and must be removed as such. With the bulb bar removed, use an 8mm socket and remove the 4 nuts holding the unit to the vehicle, red arrows. You can also see the wiring connection for the light bar, yellow arrow, if you need to replace it. The housing gasket can get stuck to the body over time, and you can gently push from the mounting studs on the interior while using a trim removal tool, if necessary, to gently pry it away from the metal. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.